Nikky Feeding Souls.
So I am here with an amazing lady, P. Oi of Aoywaan restaurant here right in Nakhon Pathom. It is so serene and peaceful and so much fun. We just had an amazing cooking class with you, and thank you so much for hosting. Our guests couldn't have felt more love from you, and our soul has felt so fed. Tell me a little bit about your restaurant, what you do.
All right. We start business 2014 to a company and cooking class. So first, I like to, what we are doing today. So we're gonna do, sticky rice with yellow mango. And then we're gonna do green curry. And then we're gonna do avocado salad in Thai style. And we make marinated chicken with our herbs. You will see how different. So the thing today in the real cooking for you.
So you guys were all wondering how we do sticky rice. That's the steamer basket. We can get it at our supermarkets in the States. And you can also get this piece as well. And on Amazon. I have a page on my website actually with all my favorite things whenever I do the cooking classes at the restaurant. Everyone's like, I want this, and I'm like, so I create a little wish list for everybody, and you can go in and click and buy stuff. So. So it literally does take 20 minutes. You put it in under once the water is boiling. It'll cook for 10 minutes. They do a flip action, and then they cook another 20 minutes on the top side.
So good.
People want one of those. What is it?
Ingredients that we need to have.
Separates in its side. Perfection. Krai. And it means lemonade? Told you, cooking is all senses. It's the entire body, all in. Love and passion and pounding. Làm sao? Kèo mà Lâm VânวันลอยกระทงLâm Vânวันลอยกระทงบุญจะส่งให้เราสุขใจบุญจะส่งให้เราสุขใจ My dad. Where's your protective gear?
Put your glasses on. I got it.
This is going to be the best video of all of them.
We're just gonna toast this.
Yeah.
It's a little. The liquid is what actually brings
Without adding flavor. That's
one by one.
Did she get? Ooh. Yes.
So I think this is probably done
It's
too.
very
Turn it
spicy.
on.
And then you eat. That's good.
So Thai avocados tend to be much
Okay, เข้าใจละ
like a lot of the waste. Like for instance, Thailand.
I mean, sorry, avocado salad. So how do you think I feed your soul?
Nikki bring a lot of energy, of fun. I don't know, I just like, oh, and then I saw her, I just sent me like ton of fun. Like she have a great personality, amazing and positive. Oh my gosh, it's
You are too, though.
yes. Well, I don't think that I'm gonna see the person like you because your personality is to bring out all the best energy. I love it. I love it. I love it. Keep continue to do that.
Thank you. I love what I do, but I really honestly love meeting people like you because we are on this planet with the same purpose, is to inspire people through food, culture, and travel. And being able to do this in Thailand at your restaurant has just been super soul feeding. I have a little gift for you.
Oh, thank you.
This is a token of appreciation. It says feed your soul. So I thank you so much for feeding our souls today.
Thank you so much. I got it. I got it.
Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ Thank you so much, Nikki. This is you. Yeah.
Show.
To feed my soul.
Nikky feeding souls.